This trumpet needs cleaned pretty badly, so let's take it completely apart and get it in the ultrasonic machine. There we go. Ugh. I'm gonna put the body of the trumpet in first so I can get some of the gunk off these valve caps that I know the ultrasonic machine won't get off. All right. I'm gonna put this one on for about 15 minutes with no heat. Trumpet is done. Let's see. Has some gross water. Now we're gonna get the basket put in with all the parts. Before we clean the parts of this trumpet, I think we need to clean out this water. It's pretty gross. Oh yeah. All right, now let's put the parts into this trumpet. Remember how gunky the valves looked, all right? Here we go. "15 minutes is up. Let's see what it looks like." All right, let's take a look at those valves. They look a little bit better. Do we see what's wrong here? So there was an extra felt on one of these, and I put it back on the second valve, even though I think it came off the third valve. But why would it be lower? Was it lower when I took them out? I didn't even notice. Like, what would cause that to stand up so much lower? Look at that. Why? That's so weird. Nope, not the same height. What have I done wrong? Okay, so there has to be some sort of difference in the finger buttons. Okay. Now they look the same. I don't know what sort of wizardry is in this trumpet, but I'm about done with it. Let's get these in here, and I hope they look good. What do they look like to you guys? It seems like one is lower than the other. Anyway, the trumpet is clean now, and the only thing I have to do, oh, that's right, my glue gun is heating up. Let's go fix the case. All right, this isn't the best case, but it's a case, but the inside is coming out. So I'm just gonna put some hot glue on the inside here and then try to get this to stick to it. All right, we've got our clean trumpet ready to go back in the case. All set. So when was the last time you cleaned your trumpet?